Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share my program to check the overlapping area of two ellipses and return that overlapping area. So let's run our program. Okay. So let's have a simple example. Okay, where we have a circle. Okay. So as you can see over here, one has the three over here. As you can see, is the major axis, while six uh, is the major axis for the second ellipse. Okay. So from this example we can assume that this circle is being overlapped into another ellipse 2. Okay, so which is a second circle. So the area would be according to the area of our ellipse 1. Okay, so when we run the program, and yeah, we get the area, which is a pi r square. So 3 square is 9, and 9 into pi, which is 3.14, it's nearly 28 point something. Okay, so yeah, let's run a complex case, okay, this time. So let's comment it out, and yeah. So for the complex example, so the overlapping area would be 31.41 something. Okay, so this would be our two cases. Okay, so let's check how our program is working. So basically, we initialize point. Okay, uh, which is a point object, and then we put this point objects into the ellipse class. Okay, so ellipse object. Okay, so this would be initialized, and as we go to over our function, we see the constructor for point. Okay, which is self dot x is equals to x, self dot y is equals to y. For ellipse it's the same. Okay, but here we are taking center points. Okay, for point one we are storing it as center 1, then point 2 we're storing as center 2, and width over here is our major axis, so we would be storing as our width. Okay, so after getting all the attributes of ellipse, we'll run we'll call compute over overlap of ellipse function. Okay, which would basically first, as you can see over here, which will basically first check if the point is inside the loop. If it is, we'll return true or false based on that. We'll have a counter as overlap counter. Okay, and then we'll run a random a for loop for 10,000 times, which is our 10,000 random points, which we would check if it is in our ellipse or not. Okay, so basically, as you can see, we run it over here, and we get random points for random x and random y, and we'll check if this point is inside our ellipse 1. Okay, and uh, at the same time it is in our ellipse 2 or not. Okay, and if it is in both of them, so we increment our overlap counter, and then we run our formula for it, and then we return the overlap area. So yeah, thanks for watching. This was our program for getting the overlap area.